Abscisic acid. Abscisic acid. Plant hormone that promotes leaf detachment, induces seed and bud dormancy, and inhibits germination. Ethylene in plants. Ethylene stimulates fruit ripening. Peroxisomes. Peroxisomes catabolize long fatty acid chains, D-amino acids, polyamines, and reduce H2O2. Collagen. Collagen found in animal connective tissue in a triple helix. Gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis, creating glucose from non-carbohydrate molecules, occurs in cytosol. Gymnosperm. Gymnosperm, plant with seeds unprotected by ovary or fruit. Neutrophil, that's 62%. Eosinophil, that's 2.3%. Basophil, basophil is the worst, that's 0.04%. Is that monocyte? Monocytes are 5.3%. So going from most to least, we have our neutrophil at 62%, lymphocyte at 30%, monocyte at 5.3%, eosinophil at 2.3%, and basophil at 0.04%. Morula. Morula, a solid ball of cells resulting from division of a fertilized ovum from which a blastula is formed. Blastopore. Blastopore, opening of the central cavity of an embryo in the early stage of development. Antheridium. Antheridium, male sex organ of non-flowering plants. Archegonium. Archegonium, female sex organ in most flowering plants. Diapedesis. Diapedesis, the ability of white blood cells to pass through the endothelium of the blood vessels. Taiga. Taiga, coniferous forest just beneath the tundra. Fallopian tubes. Fallopian tubes. Fallopian tubes, a pair of tubes along which eggs travel from the ovaries to the uterus, where fertilization of eggs occurs. Transduction. Transduction, transfer of DNA by a virus. In what phase of meiosis does an oocyte halt until puberty? Prophase 1. SA node, sinus node. SA node, a pacemaker portion of the heart located by the right atrium, generates electrical impulses. Blastocyst. Blastocyst. Blastocyst, mammalian blastula in which some differentiation of cells has occurred. Corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. Corpus luteum, hormone secreting structure in ovary that develops after ovum has been discharged. Degenerates after a few days if pregnancy hasn't begun. Somatostatin. Somatostatin, hormone secreted by pancreas and pituitary gland that inhibits gastric secretion. Thyroxine. Thyroxine maybe, increases metabolic rate and regulates growth and development. Glucagon. Glucagon, hormone formed in the pancreas that helps break down glycogen and 2-glucose in the liver. Glucagon, hormone formed in the pancreas that helps break down glycogen to glucose in the liver. Gastrin. Gastrin, hormone that stimulates secretion of gastric juice and is secreted into the bloodstream by the stomach wall in response to the presence of food. Rhizoid. Rhizoid, single-celled roots of fungi that help absorb water by capillary action. Zygomin, proenzyme. Zygomin, an inactive enzyme precursor. True or false? Endocytosis uses ATP. That's true. Cocci. Spherical bacteria. Bacilli. Rod-shaped bacteria. Spirilla. Spirilla, helical-shaped bacteria.